Hello students, subject science class 4, lesson matter and state of matter like solid, liquid and gas. Students, in first module we talked about matter and state of matter. Matter is a composed of tiny particles. They arrange themselves in different ways to form different states of matter. Now solid. In solid, particles are very tightly packed. There is no space between the particles to move around. And in liquid, particles are not as tightly packed as in solids. There is space between particles to move around and slide past one another. Now, in gas, particles are loosely packed. They randomly move around and hence gases have no fixed shape. Now we talk about change in states of matter. Now here question arises, can matter change from one state to another? Yes, matter can change its state on heating and cooling. Now let's see how. Matter normally does not change its state on its own unless some external pressure or force is applied for its temperature is changed. Now, what happens to the wax of a candle when it is heated? Candle is made up of wax. Wax is a solid in its natural state. So, this example show that solids turn into liquids on heating. The process of conversion of a solid into a liquid is called melting. Students, do you know what happens when water is heated for a long time? Yes, on heating, water starts turning into its gaseous form called water vapor or steam. The process of conversion of a liquid into a gas is called evaporation. Now, gas into liquid form. Students, you must have seen or observed when you keep the ice cubes from the refrigerator outside, they start melting, and you also observe some ice drops outside the utensils. The ice in the glass or any utensils cools the outer surface of the glass. Water vapor present in the air outside comes in contact with the cool inner surface of the glass. When water vapor cools down, it turns into water. The process of conversion of a gas into a liquid is called condensation. So we can say that ice melts on heating and turns into water. But when water is cooled in a freezer, it turns into ice. Thus, cooling a liquid can turn into a solid. The process of conversion of a liquid into a solid is called freezing. Students, in summer, we really enjoy a glass of lemonade. The lemon juice, sugar and salt got dissolved in water. Both sugar and salt are solid. When a solid dissolves in a liquid, it forms a solution. So, now we will talk about solution, solvent and solute. When salt and water are mixed together to make a salt solution, and sugar and water are mixed together to make a sugar solution. So, we can say that a solute is a substance that dissolves in a liquid. For example, in the solutions made above, salt and sugar are solutes. A solvent is a substance, usually a liquid, in which a solute dissolves. In the above solution, the solvent is water. So, in this way, we have learnt about change in states of matter. Thank you.